So I was originally torn between Coolife and Samsonite or Hank, this new brand that I found on Amazon. I'm actually 100% happy that I actually chose Coolife. Everything seems nice and sturdy. They expand by an inch, I think. This is the carry-on. It has wheels, but as long as you can carry it on to your flight, then you should be okay. They all lock. I haven't messed with the lock yet, but I mean, I definitely could open them, and I couldn't just pull it off if I wanted to when it was locked. They're nice and spacious, so if you're torn between this brand and another brand, I 100% recommend as of right now. The color's nice. They do look like, if it was to get scratched, I mean, I don't think it would be that noticeable, which is why I went with this color and this style. If you can see, it has this natural, like, I don't know, finish. So yeah.
So I'm reviewing this luggage by Coolife, 20-inch. It's got a nice hard shell. I bought it because I like these locked zipper mechanisms so that it can't be broken into as easy. Now they go on like that. Inside, there's two components. Side. This one. Overall, I'd say it looks sturdy. It's got the spinner wheels. It's definitely, I would say, for just a 1 or 2 night. The capacity inside doesn't look as big as some of the other carry-ons I've seen, but if you're looking for just a couple nights, looks like it'll do the job.
This is what the issue is. There's nothing here. As you can see, it's not here, which is cool. But why is there no... Why is there no... Yeah, that's not cool. I mean, outside of that, it's fine, but what am I supposed to do about... That's not gonna work. I'm not gonna... Because I'm afraid of that. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
As you can see, the lock is currently in the locked position. If I put in the correct combination, which is set currently to 111, the lock will still not unlock. But if you knock it lightly, it opens.
zipper is gone.